When it comes to managing high blood sugar, most people immediately think about checking their glucose levels with a quick finger prick test. While that daily check is useful, there is one test that goes far deeper and gives a much more accurate picture of what's happening inside the body: the hemoglobin A1C test. Unlike a single glucose reading, which only shows your blood sugar at that exact moment, the A1C test reveals your average blood sugar levels over the past 2 to 3 months. This makes it the most important test for anyone dealing with high blood sugar or concerned about developing diabetes. Before we continue, I'd like to tell you about Diacylon, a powerful blend of 13 natural ingredients, each carefully selected for their proven ability to support healthy blood sugar levels, enhance insulin sensitivity, and promote overall wellness. You can read more on diacylon.com. Blood sugar levels naturally rise and fall depending on what you eat, how stressed you are, how much you've slept, and whether you've been active. So it's easy for someone to see a normal number on a single test even when their blood sugar has been elevated for weeks or months. The A1C test goes beyond those daily fluctuations and uncovers hidden patterns that often go unnoticed, which is why experts consider it the single most important test to take immediately if you suspect your blood sugar is high or if you've been living with symptoms that aren't fully explained. The science behind the A1C test is surprisingly simple, yet incredibly revealing. Hemoglobin is the protein inside your red blood cells that carries oxygen throughout your body. When you have high blood sugar, excess glucose sticks to this hemoglobin through a natural process called glycation. The higher your blood sugar over time, the more of your hemoglobin becomes coated with sugar. The A1C test measures the percentage of these sugar-coated hemoglobin molecules, giving a clear view of your long-term blood sugar control. Since red blood cells live for approximately 3 months, the test captures your average blood sugar over that full period rather than just one day. This makes it far more reliable for diagnosing prediabetes or diabetes and for understanding how consistently high or low your blood sugar has been. Even if you've had a few good days or made some short-term changes, the A1C won't be fooled. It reveals the true story of how your blood sugar has behaved for weeks on end, making it one of the most trusted tools in metabolic health. Many people are shocked to learn that their high blood sugar didn't suddenly appear overnight. In reality, it often develops silently over months or even years. Early high blood sugar usually doesn't cause obvious symptoms, so someone might feel completely fine even as their body is moving closer to prediabetes or diabetes. Common signs like constant fatigue, increased thirst, frequent urination, blurry vision, tingling in the hands or feet, and slow healing wounds often show up only when levels have been elevated for a long time. That's why taking the A1C test early can be life-changing. It acts as an early warning system, detecting trouble before serious complications arise. When left unchecked, high blood sugar can damage nerves, kidneys, eyes, blood vessels, and the heart. But when caught early through an A1C test, many people are able to reverse or improve their condition with lifestyle adjustments, better dietary choices, and proper medical guidance. Early detection gives you the power to intervene before the condition becomes more dangerous or difficult to manage. Understanding the results of the A1C test is also simple and straightforward, making it accessible even for those who are new to managing high blood sugar. A result below 5.7% is considered normal, meaning your blood sugar has generally been in a healthy range. A result between 5.7% and 6.4% indicates prediabetes, which means your sugar levels have been consistently higher than normal, but not high enough to be classified as diabetes. A reading of 6.5% or higher typically signals diabetes. These numbers may seem small, but each fraction of a percent represents a significant difference in blood sugar levels. For instance, an A1C of 7% corresponds to an average blood sugar level of around 154 milligrams per deciliter, which is much higher than what your body's designed to handle. Even a 0.5% increase in your A1C can raise your risk of nerve damage, kidney disease, and cardiovascular issues. By understanding these numbers, you gain the ability to take control of your health rather than guessing where you stand or relying solely on daily readings that may not tell the whole story. One of the greatest strengths of the A1C test is its ability to eliminate the confusion that comes with daily blood sugar fluctuations. Many people with high blood sugar experience dramatic rises after meals, dips in the morning, or changes based on stress, poor sleep, or lack of exercise. Daily readings might look fine on certain days, leading someone to believe everything is improving. But the A1C test exposes the bigger picture, revealing trends that are otherwise impossible to see with isolated tests. It can uncover consistently high post-meal spikes, nighttime elevations, or patterns related to lifestyle habits. With this deeper insight, patients can make more informed decisions about diet, exercise, sleep, and treatment. It also helps healthcare providers fine-tune their recommendations, as they can more accurately determine whether adjustments are needed in medication, nutrition, or activity. Without the A1C test, people often end up trying random strategies or relying on misleading daily readings that don't reflect long-term health. In addition to diagnosing high blood sugar, the A1C test is incredibly valuable for tracking long-term progress. Instead of relying solely on how you feel or how your blood sugar looked today, the A1C shows whether your efforts have actually been working over several months. Many individuals find that consistent small habits, like drinking more water, reducing refined carbs, adding fiber-rich foods, managing stress, and walking after meals, can lower their A1C or significantly within a few months. Others discover that despite their hard work, their A1C remains high, revealing that their body may need additional support or a different approach. Tracking your A1C over time becomes a roadmap for understanding your body's response to lifestyle and treatment. It brings clarity, motivation, and direction, helping you build healthier habits that truly make a difference rather than relying on trial and error. If you've never taken an A1C test before, the process is quick, convenient, and painless, making it easy for anyone to get started. The test requires only a small blood sample, and depending on the clinic or pharmacy, you can often get your results in minutes. There's no need to fast beforehand, and it can be completed during a routine doctor's visit. Many pharmacies, community health centers, and wellness clinics offer walk-in A1C testing, so you don't need an appointment or special preparation. Given how silently high blood sugar can progress, anyone with risk factors, such as a family history of diabetes, being overweight, having high blood pressure, being over age 45, experiencing persistent fatigue, or living a sedentary lifestyle, should strongly consider getting tested even if they feel perfectly healthy. Taking this test early can help uncover issues before they turn into something more serious. In the bigger picture, the A1C test provides clarity, direction, and life-saving information that can help you take action before problems become severe. High blood sugar is often called a silent threat because so much damage can occur without causing obvious symptoms. But with a single test, you can uncover hidden issues, prevent major health complications, and gain a meaningful understanding of your metabolic health. Whether you're experiencing symptoms, have a family history of diabetes, or simply want to take charge of your well-being, the A1C test gives you the insights you need to make informed decisions. It is the one test every high blood sugar patient should take immediately because it offers a clear, honest, and comprehensive view of your health that no daily glucose check can match.